Hello! Today we are going to be trying fixing not working LCD display on this absolutely beautiful Fujifilm Zoom Date 1000 analog still camera. Yes, this is a real camera that is using film, that is presenting like this. Just take a look. Real film. So this is a true old school. So when I told you about not working screen, I didn't mean modern one with pixels, but like a calculator style. Let's try to power on our machine and let's see can we see anything. And I can see in the backlit, and here we've got something blinking like a CC. This is basically telling me that we've got no problem with a polarization voltage. Most likely we've got issue with flags, because in those cases we would not see absolutely anything, but I've got impression that some of the signals are coming through that like a short peak of time. When I press the power, I can definitely see something. First, let's check our battery. The model that fits there is CR2 and it is a 3-volt battery. So let's measure it to get answer if this could be our potential issue. But as you can see, we are reading 2.9 volts, so that's definitely not our problem. I will remove it anyways. And we are going to be picking into our flex cable that is being hidden behind that metal part. So let's try to undo it. We need gain access behind that metal thing. This is me from future who actually understand how to disassemble that unit without breaking it, which is quite funny. And to disassemble the LCD, we need to undo those 2 screws, those 4 screws, and we are in the pickle because there are screws that are behind that metal black thing. And here you can see it. Here is 1 screw, here is second one, and that whole thing that is being held by that screw that you can see here, we've got those studs and they are not screws, but it is locked by the spring tension. Those elements metal have opening, so if you go like this, it unclipped. Just take a look. If you pull it, here is going to be better seen. It's got opening, so if you've got like a screwdriver, you can press it and it will be released. So you can easily and totally safely remove the black thing and get access to those screws. So if we are going to be doing that, we go in reverse. Those are 2 pins. This is going to be aligned here, just like that. And now we've got a great access. And finally, looks like I managed to get into the point where we will able to see our screen. Here is our flex. Here is our connection between the LCD screen and the flex panel, and we will need to heat it up to make sure it's connecting nicely. I've got my tip on 160 Celsius degree, and I will try go through those joints that are connecting the flex that are coming out from the LCD and joining here. So this is not the proper tool, but on that one you can adjust temp. So you just go like this. And hopefully we will make it working. There is the backlight, so the polarizer should be here, or maybe it will be required. So let's try to put our battery and see if anything changed. We've got a small success, but as you can see, let's check. And looks like we've got some progress. Looks like we've got a very good progress. I'm not sure why we cannot see our picture counter, but it is possible that's because I do not have film. Let me check, can we switch like a flash or something? And as you can see, here we've got all the pictures. So we can adjust. Here I'm switching the date. Why that part is not working? I think I will have to put film, so we will get a 100% answer. Maybe it is resolved already. So I think I will have to put it back. I inserted film and add single screw because I would like to check whether that might be an issue with a software, that maybe when there is no film, there is nothing on the screen. We got the charging indicator. Here it goes nicely. I can select. I can go up, down. This is great. But why I do not have picture counter? Maybe I have to open it and it will spool in the film. Let's go like this. Okay, so the counter is working. Perfect, just take a look. So we've got a 100% success. This is absolutely crazy. Now the film is here, so I think I will have to unwind it in darkness, or I need to check where is the button for unwinding. The zoom is working, so flex here is fine. When I half press the shutter, it is reacting. Here you can see. So yeah, looks like we are going to be getting 100% success. But I need to put back this garbage and unwind the film. To just screw it back. And when those screws are being nicely held, we can put this element back by catching it on those elements. And as you can see, our device is 100% operational. We can check our settings. We are nicely jumping between all those, like a self timer, autofocus. Everything is working 100% fine. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.